Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare red lentils for soup, easy method. Start by rinsing a cup of lentils under cold water until clear, picking out any debris, then drain. Use a 3:1 water to lentil ratio for simmering. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat to a simmer and cook uncovered for about 15 minutes while stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. I explain a simple timing method for tender red lentils that's easy to follow. You can soak briefly for 10 to 20 minutes to shave a few minutes off cooking, but it's optional. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then lower to a simmer, checking after 12 minutes and again at 18. Taste for doneness and texture, aiming for a soft but intact lentil for soup body. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use to store soups and leftovers, perfect for transport and portioning. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I help you layer flavors so your red lentil soup tastes rich and balanced. Begin by sautéing onion, garlic, and carrot in a little oil. Then add rinsed lentils and water or stock. Simmer until lentils are tender, seasoning with salt toward the end. For brightness, stir in lemon juice or a splash of vinegar just before serving and adjust seasoning to taste for a warm finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.